Yes, vamos a ver. Ai, di boi rambut. Bendo kan bendo space. Not really good. Ha, control. Mãe. Bobo? Mas bobo? Assim, a coisa boa. Yona, ah, nem como não quero não fazer nada. Bobo, ele bobo. Não usa de ambi. Thomas bobo. All right, fine. So, Yona, you have launched the distribution of maize here at the MTC ground. Just shed more light about this, and you hinted on the need for those that are responsible in the distribution to do the needful.
Well, you see, we are talking about hunger. We are talking about people who have feelings, who are going through the pain of hunger. Now, there are people that are responsible for the logistics, the distribution, transportation, all this. Even the planning and the registration of the people that are supposed to receive. There are challenges, and these challenges are associated with the human factor that is planned, so that some of the maize evidently is being stolen, and some people are selling the maize. There is that evidence. So what we are saying is, let us be human. These people are going through the pain of hunger. Let us be fast in the way we execute our programs. We know the people that are suffering, and even the registration of those that are supposed to receive. Let us be honest. Let us be honest. And even at the council level, people at that level should take more responsibility to make sure that there are no hitches. The president asked me to come here in the south to oversee this program, and it is my responsibility to make sure that distribution goes smoothly, and whoever is going around with this program should be arrested, because this is not only unethical, it's also illegal. Manganya njala anthu ali ndi njala, anthu akumva kupweteka chifukwa cha njala. Ndi anzathu amene ali ndi udindo oona kuti kodi chimanga chiyenda bwanji, alandenge angati, zonse zimene azichita mwachilungamo komanso mofulumira chifukwa anthu akuvutika ndi njala. So munthu kungokhala pansi kumati zapereka mawa, zapereka mkucha, pamene mukudziwa kuti anthu akuvutika. Ena chimanga chomwechi akuba kumaka chipulisa kumwe anzawo kuvutika ndi njala. Ndiye ndimayemba kuti tikanayesesa kuti anthu amene tiagwire amangidwe kuti anthu aphunzirepo. Sungamasewere ndi njala anzawo akuvutika ndi njala. Chimene ndimapempha kuti tisasewere ndi njala, sinkhani za chipani, sinkhani za kuchalichi, sinkhani za ni nkhani ya umunthu kumkonda anzako umene uzikondera kwina. Iyo nyumera namuro bene.
Leveni manzi mayanga nalira leveni manzi mayanga kuja kuti mungabereka muri ne sima jeni jeni muri da muri ne bwana wesere timbala kinanga musenze kuno kuno musanjikize ase masi mwana usanjikize mwana sama ase awo masenze sana mwana ayi wachoka mpaka kundi sisi mabuzana maana pena banga kendi sina ya muzana abera anasewe nasera tena hao mama hapa gira sasa hapa tunaona magazeti ya karibu
Mafumo ni mwa Zoona ngati. Yeah.